Oh, cookies for Christmas.
Hold on, Stop.
What you guys doing?
Making cookies.
I can't see. Let me see if I can squeeze in.
What?
You gotta push it with your hand.
Grandma, your dogs.
Wait.
Never mind.
Okay, pick one, Alexis.
Hi, baby.
Can I do the same thing?
Whatever you want to do.
This way.
Turn it around. Put it down. Put it right on the edge. There you go. Let's get some. His foot's missing some, so we're gonna
Oh
put
my
that
gosh,
one.
frozen.
Deja, come pick one.
I already did.
All right.
I just have to put it in.
You said you already picked one. Oh, wait. Sorry. Hold on.
No, I did
She
it in
didn't
my...
hit her hands.